So, after integrating the body module with the agriculture drone, now we came for testing. So, we have two pilots with us, two certified pilots. Uh, so, they have two transmitters with them. Both are connected with the single drone with the help of buddy RC module version 2.0. So, with this module they are able to control one at a time, like the person who is with the cap is having the master transmitter in his hand, and the other person who is in blue color shirt, he is another pilot who is having the slave transmitter with him. Once the master give the control to the slave, then only the slave can able to control. If the master don't want to give the control to the slave, he'll take it back with the help of one switch which is assigned on the master transmitter. So, in this manner we are gonna demonstrate like how we can control the master slave drone with the help of master slave transmitters using body module. In general, if you don't have this body module, you cannot integrate more than one receiver with the drone. Means every drone comes with one receiver, right? Now we are integrated two transmitter receivers with this drone with the help of body RC module. Let's see how it flies. We'll demonstrate how it is going to fly. So master turned on the drone, like armed the drone now. Slave doesn't have any control over the drone now, you can see. Okay, so master take off. Move forward. So drone is moving forward with the help of a master transmitter, you can see. The help of master transmitter, drone is moving forward and backward. Master, give the signal to slave. Now the slave is taking control over the drone. You can see the master doesn't have any control over the drone. His hands are free. Now the slave is with the help of slave transmitter. Another pilot is flying the drone. Master, take the control back. Slave, put the transmitter down. Put the transmitter on the ground. Transmitter on the ground. See. Slave doesn't have any transmitter in his hand. Now the control is back with the master transmitter. Like this, we can switch the control between master and slave. Master and slave in the sense of both the transmitters. One is master, who can be called as instructor, and on the right side can be called as a student. So switching the control between instructor and the student became difficult nowadays. So we made the device in such a way like it is very small, it consumes very less power, and also it is very user friendly. Like you can straightforward, with the help of 4 wires you can directly integrate the module with the drone. No need to worry about the wirings and soldering. It's very easy to integrate. Also it flies seamlessly. You observe, right? Like the switching between a master and a slave is too good. Like it doesn't require much skills. Give the control to slave now. See, master should be always ready to take control back whenever it is required, because if student make mistake, he have to get the control back. That's why master will always hold the transmitter in hand. So, so now the slave is able to control the drone. This is how the body module works. So we integrated on an expensive mission. We tested with agriculture drones, survey drones, surveillance drones as well. Also we have tested on VTOLs and fixed wings. So the switching time is very less. I mean, like, hardly even the system doesn't even throw you any notification while switching also. That's how fast it is switching between master and slave. So it is completely safe and secure. Now the slave is gonna land the drone. Take the control back, master. Take the control back. Okay. Now the master is gonna land the drone.